Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Apache Hadoop for big data, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring Apache Hadoop for big data, first, ensure you have Java installed on your system. You can verify this by running the command Java version in your terminal. If Java is not installed, download the latest version from the official website and follow the installation instructions. Next, download the Apache Hadoop binary from the Apache Hadoop official releases page. Choose the version you want and extract the downloaded tar.gz file to a suitable directory, such as /usr/local/hadoop. Navigate to the Hadoop configuration directory, usually located at /usr/local/hadoop/etc/hadoop. Open the hadoop-env.sh file in a text editor to set the Java home path. Add the line export java_home =/path/ to /your/java where the path reflects your Java installation. Next, configure the core site.xml file to set up the Hadoop core settings. Add the following XML snippet to define the Hadoop file system: configuration property name fs.default fs/name value hdfs // localhost 9000/value/property/configuration. Proceed to the hdfs site.xml file to configure Hadoop's HDFS settings. Incorporate the following configuration to set the replication factor and directory for NameNode. Configuration property name dfs.replication/name value 1/value/property name dfs.name. Next, edit the mapreduce.xml file to configure the MapReduce framework. You can create this file by copying the mapreduce.xml.template provided in the Hadoop configuration folder. In the mapreduce.xml, set the framework by adding the following: configuration property name mapreduce.framework.name/name value yarn/value/property/configuration. Now, configure the yarn site.xml file to handle the YARN resource management settings. Add the following configuration to specify the resource manager address: configuration property name yarn.resourcemanager.address/name value localhost 8032/value/property/configuration. After configuring these files, it's time to format the HDFS. Open your terminal and run the command hdfs namenode format. This initializes the HDFS with the configurations you've set. Now, you can start the Hadoop services. Open 3 terminal windows, one for the name node, one for the data node, and one for the resource manager. In the name node window, run the command startdfs.sh to start the HDFS services. In the data node window, run startyarn.sh to launch the YARN services. You can verify that your Hadoop cluster is running by accessing the web interfaces at http://localhost 9870 for the name node and http://localhost 8088 for the resource manager. With these steps completed, you now have a functioning Apache Hadoop setup for big data processing. Congratulations on configuring your Hadoop environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.